Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use multileaders in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to build arrow labels on your current setup session so you can point to shapes and write a quick note that stays glued to the arrow tip. Step 1. Pick up the connected pointer tool. The first step is to type a basic command shortcut or click the main button row to pick up the pointing tool so the software knows you want to draw an arrow label. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the letters MLD on your keyboard and press the Enter key. Watch your mouse cursor update to show a tiny text helper symbol next to your main crosshair, meaning the tool is wide awake and ready for your screen canvas. Because you cannot place an arrow label without telling the main software engine to pick up the right brush, you have to trigger this option so you can start drawing your indicator paths. Without this step, clicking your mouse on the screen will just select random background shapes instead of starting your note layout. Next, you need to click on the exact object you want to label and pull your mouse away to build the straight connecting line row. Click once with your main mouse button directly on the shape you want to point to, slide your mouse pointer away to a clean open space on your sheet, and click a second time. Verify that a clean line with a sharp arrow tip appears on your monitor view, stretching perfectly between your two click spots. Because it gives your viewers a clear visual link showing them exactly which line or box your note belongs to. By dragging your mouse to an open area, you create a dedicated space for your text numbers without cluttering your actual artwork. It ensures you can read your layout dimensions and notes easily without overlapping your lines. Step 3. Type your note inside the green template box that automatically opens at the end of your new pointer line. Type your text notes like main wall or part number 1 using your keyboard keys, and then click your mouse anywhere out in the empty space to save your words. Check your text sizing on the sheet to make sure your words sit neatly flat against the background canvas right next to the line extension, because this tool binds your words and your arrow lines into a single item inside the computer memory card. If you try to use separate lines and regular text blocks, they will fall apart when you move your shapes around later. By typing inside this custom box, you create a single, unified label that behaves perfectly as one piece. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your drawing notes organized. And that's it. To create and use multileaders in AutoCAD, you must first type MLD into your bottom command bar to pick up the pointer tool. Then you click once to drop your arrow tip and click again to stretch out your connecting line on your screen canvas rows. Next, you type your note inside the active text box and click in an empty area to save your words. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.